Hello, welcome back to day 23 of this game development journey, and today I will continue to work on this greenhouse game. And yesterday I hit a roadblock. I was trying to integrate a system where two fans inside the greenhouse would adjust the temperature based on current conditions. However, calculations proved more challenging than what I expected, and I couldn't make the progress I hoped for. And after some thought, I decided to simplify the system. Instead of having the fans effect and of the temperature to be dynamic based on the current temperatures, I set them to have static effects, either increasing or decreasing temperature by 10 degrees. This change will may help me to move forward without getting into complex calculations and ensure that making sure that my focus will remain on the core aspects of the game. So let's just get into the developing for this. Let's just end this chapter 4 and let's just get into the developing for chapter 5, and let's see what we will face today. Okay, right now I managed to finalize the chapter 4 section, and I want to make an introduction for the chapter 5 section, and I have updated the language file and add the necessary elements for the chapter 5 to load correctly within the game, and right now it looks like it will work. It loads the chapter 5 seamlessly without any problem. In addition to prepare for the chapter 5, I have also set the level and conditions for the chapter 4, and right now it looks fine. And for the chapter 5, I am thinking about implementing two types of pods in order to player to grow for the chapter 5 section. And let's see what I can do to improve this game further. I encountered a strange issue, and it seems like the fan recognizes both of the plant zones, but when I activate the fan, it only changes the temperature for the first plant zone, and I'm puzzled because the fan should affect the both zones equally. And in addition to this, players should not be able to increase the temperature in both zones using fans for the quizzes, the thing that I have in mind, but right now I need to find a way to fix this issue. Okay, right now I managed to get close to chapter 6, and I wanted to keep track of the chapters that I added for the in order to gradually increase the hardness for this game. So for the chapter 1, let me see what I have. Oh, I have only one plant raise zone, 3 pots. One raise zone, plant raise zone, and 3 pots. For the chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And chapter 2, 2 types of pots and 2 plant raise zones, 1 type of pot. So in here I increased these to 2 types pots. How much? With 1, 2, 3, 4. with 4 pots and 2 plant raisins. For the chapter 3, I have 1 raisin, okay, 1 type of pot and 1 type of fan over here. What else? Then that's all. 2 pots in total. For the chapter 4, 2 fans. 2 fans, 1 pot. So basically this is what I have in hands, that the player gradually I increase the plant resource and I introduced the fun over inside the chapter 3, and maybe over here I can introduce the third type of pot, but it's not necessary for that. Or let's just add another, okay, let's just add 3 types of pots for here, and this will be, or maybe inside chapter 7 this will be better. That 2 plant raisin, 3 types of pot and 2 type of fan for the chapter 3. And that's all for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this session. This was rather a small session, but it's still a productive day for me, and I managed to make some progress for the level generates. And see you later. Bye.